evening, guys. So this would be my very first long trip. Just imagine, from Vienna to Paris. But this time I paid a bit more for my own convenience. I'm thankful for my birthday present last year, so I use it now for this. I get a cabin, so look at this. I get my own toilet. It's just inside in my cabin, and then beside the toilet is a shower. You see, there's a shower just behind the toilet. Everything is clean. It is cleaned well. So I get also some towels here. It looks so clean too. And now imagine the bed looks like that. So here's the bed. Looks like this. It's enough for me. It is clean, and I also get something here in the table. So I got this white wine, water, and inside my bag these are some snacks, towelette, and a ball pen, and some, if I want to sleep quiet. I don't want to use this because I want to hear if there are sounds, and I put here water and sleepers. So I would say I like it. Cost a bit, but I find it good. So good night, and see you tomorrow in Paris. Bye.